So I'm just gonna open the package. So here we have the chicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up, take off all of these fatty pieces. Yeah, just get it nice and clean. Disclaimer, guys, if you hear anything, any kind of noise and stuff in the background, it's just my son playing with his toys. You know, I have to keep him entertained while I do this. So all I'm doing is basically just kind of scraping to get off the excess fat that's here. So once I go ahead and just take off all the fatty pieces and clean the chicken up, I'll come back and show you guys what the next step is. It's just gonna be washing the chicken with vinegar. So once I'm done with this, we will be right back. So as you guys can see, I removed the fatty pieces from the chicken. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it with some vinegar. And the reason why I wash the chicken with vinegar is to just get rid of the excess rawness from the chicken and just to clean it a bit. I know that a lot of people don't do this, but as a Caribbean woman, this is what I do. So now I'm about to season the chicken. I have my seasonings here. First, I'm gonna use some garlic salt. Next, I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, followed by some onion powder, ground black pepper, and lastly, I'm using some crushed red pepper. Now I'm just going to combine all the seasonings that I just added. So once the seasonings are all combined in, this is how the chicken is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge to marinate for a few hours. You could do it overnight if you have time, but right now I just have a few hours, so I'm gonna put it in for about 3 to 4 hours to just soak in and marinate.